Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use lead labels in Pipedrive. This will help you organize your leads and quickly understand which ones need your attention. Let's get started. First, open your Pipedrive account and go to the left-hand menu. Click on Leads. This is where all your new opportunities are stored before moving to your pipeline. Now, when you create a new lead, you will see an option to add a label. Pipedrive gives you default labels like hot, warm, and cold. Hot means the lead is very interested and needs quick action. Warm means there is some interest but not urgent. Cold means the lead may need follow-up later. Just choose the label that best fits your lead. Next, if you want to update a label, open any existing lead from the list. In the Details section, find the Label option and click on it. Then select a new label and it will be saved automatically. If you want more customization, you can create your own labels. Click on Create New Label, enter a name, and choose a color. For example, you can create labels like Follow-up, Important, or New Client. Try to keep your labels simple and clear. That's it. Now you know how to use lead labels in Pipedrive easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.